Hi students, now we are moving to the next important question. Next important question is the application of a biotechnology. Okay, so these questions are given to given as an importance in RJ college. Okay, so I made a video for them, and it is all helpful to you also. So what are the difference? What is the different application of biotechnology? First, they are used in a plant, and they can also use in animals modification. They are also used in a microbial biotechnology. So there is so many words are given in your textbook. So I edited all these words. So I can make you understand all the points. So I will dictate that. Okay, if you want, you can write, but basically you don't have any time, so I edited all the difficult question. Okay, difficult word actually, not question. So I choose only simple words, simple statement which are given in your textbook, but I will explain all the words. Okay, so now we are coming to the application of biotechnology in first way, which are used in a plant. It's called as a plant biotechnology. For example, we are using the plant cell or the tissue. Okay, so as a source, we can use as suppose this is the plant cell, so we can go for the desirable gene. We can go for desirable gene to introduce, and then we will go for the tissue culture. Tissue culture means this is we are making our plant in an artificial medium, so this is called as a tissue culture. So the new gene can be inserted in a plant cell, and directly we can go for the tissue culture, and new plant will the desirable character will be obtained, right? So this is plant cells, and they are used as a tissue culture. Or we can use plant apis or the root apis if you need genetically identical plant. Okay, so this is the first advantage. So I took from as it is in your textbook. So it in a textbook it is given that is a plant cell or the tissue culture. Okay, so you can write it as it is. It's a very easiest one. And next one, that is a genetically modified crop. Genetically modified means they are modified with respect to proteins, with respect to iron, like golden rice. And we can also having the another example of a BT crop. So BT stand for Bacillus thuringiensis, which gives the toxin and it protect from the normally pests which are going to harm our crops. So have you understood? Just three words. What is this? It is plant biotechnology used in a tissue culture. Genetic modify that is GM crops means genetically modified crops. And next one, that is a BT crop. Have you understood what is BT crop? It is the crop made by the gene used by Bacillus thuringiensis. What is Bacillus thuringiensis? It's a bacteria. Okay. So those toxins are used for the pest, to control the pest. So it's a very important for us. Coming next to the animal biotechnology. So we are using the biotechnology in animal. So name it as animal biotechnology. For example, we having genetically modified animals. So you know that we need genetically modified animal to test the various medicines, eye drops, and so many things. So animals should be strong or it should be weak. It is depend upon the need of a particular medicine to what we have to check. So we can modify the animal as far as our requirement. Next one, that is a gene therapy. So what is gene therapy? Which is genetically disease is not cured by normal medicine. So we can treat we can have benefits with the help of this gene therapy. We can correct it. Coming to next one, that is a microbial biotechnology, where we are using this biotechnology in microbes for our desirable needs. Okay, so what can be desirable needs? For example, we having the biofertilizers. So it's harmless. It is harmless for the soil and the particular crop, and it is also harmless for us. We are also using as the biopesticides. Okay, and we are also using for the microbial genomics. Okay, what is genomics? You know that to know it is the collection of a genome. That's called genome. Entire entire genetic constitution of a particular organism is called as genomics. So we can understand the different type of microbial genomics. Okay, have you understood? So these words are easy. That was genetically modified animals, gene therapy. Next one, that is, if you want to skip this word, you can skip directly. You can write as a biofertilizer and biopesticide. Coming to next one, that is a biotechnology used in a industry. Okay, so industrial biotechnology is there. For example, we having enzyme biotechnology. Okay. Next one, we are need so many enzyme. Okay, to do different process. We can also require different of proteins. So different we don't want to go in details. We having the several enzyme and the several proteins we are using. So just write in your answer, that is enzyme industrial biotechnology we are using for the preparation of various enzymes and the protein. Okay, so this is also called as a enzyme biotechnology or the protein engineering. Just mention two words, that is an enzyme and protein preparation. Okay, next one, that is the environmental biotechnology, when the pollution can be controlled with the help of this environmental can be balanced with the help of environmental biotechnology. For example, if there is a oil spills, तेल गिर गया है कहीं, तो एक सुपर बग करके आता है, सुपर बग करके एक बैक्टीरिया है जो सब उसको क्या करेगा, उसको फिनिश कर देगा. ठीक है. सो दिस इज आल्सो यूज फॉर द पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल. सो नाम लिखने का आपको जरूरत नहीं है, खाली आप पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल करके यूज कर सकते हो. तो बायोफ्यूल्स के लिए भी इस्तेमाल होता है, बायो रेमेडिएशन के लिए भी इस्तेमाल होता है, और बायोडाइवर्सिटी के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है. मतलब बायोडाइवर्सिटी को बचाने के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है. ठीक है. तो इसमें ढेर सारे वर्ड्स है, मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ. जिसको चाहिए रहेगा वो वीडियो को रिपीट करके बार बार देख सकता है. ठीक है. कुछ वर्ड्स उसमें दिए हुए, बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स. सो बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स स्टैंड फॉर द कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम फॉर द डिटरमाइनिंग द जीन एंड प्रोटीन फंक्शंस. ठीक है. तो कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. क्या करने के लिए, जीन और प्रोटीन को आपको डिटरमाइन करने के लिए, उसके फंक्शन को समझने के लिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज ए बायो रेमेडिएशन. सो बायो रेमेडिएशन इज branch of biotechnology which employs the use of a living organism. ठीक है. Living organism to life mentions bacteria for the removal of pollutants. ठीक है. तो pollutants को remove करने के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है. मतलब bioremediation means क्या, to treat. Bioremediations, so if you want particular situation, some contamination occurs, so we can remove with the help of bioremediation. ठीक है. एक है pharmacogenomics. ठीक है. तो how the medicines can affect the DNA, उसका एक आपका साइंस है, उसके बारे में टेक्स्ट बुक में मेंशन किया है. ठीक है. सो दैट इज अ फार्माकोजेनोमिक्स, मींस हाउ द फार्मा इज गोइंग टू इफेक्ट आवर जीनोम. सो जो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नुकसान करने वाला है उसको हम समझ सकते हैं और उसको हम लोग अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. एक और वर्ड है इसमें, that is called generative medicine. So again, this is the computer aid analysis of relationship between the individual gene. ठीक है. रिलेशनशिप आपको समझने में मदद करेगा. इंडिविजुअल्स मतलब हर एक के जीन को, सेल को, ऑर्गन को, सिस्टम को. ठीक है. तो आप, मैंने सबके वर्ड मीनिंग जो दिए हुए टेक्स्ट बुक में मैंने आपको समझा दिया है. आपको नहीं समझेगा तो वीडियो रिपीट कर लीजिए. और आपको इतना बहुत है, इतना आप आंसर लिख दोगे तो आपको मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. देखिए, आप कौन सा भी कंटेंट लिखे, वो अगर मीनिंगफुल है तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. मैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आपको कराऊंगा. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.